I'm testing out some prototype pieces I've made for my bike at the moment, so I thought I'd show you what I'm working on, and also what my bike looks like without the bag on the back. First thing I've made up is a set of fork leg protectors. I've been wanting to do this for a while. I have been working on this for a while, and I think I've finally come to a point where I've got a set I'm pretty happy with, and I'm really liking the way they fit on the bike, attach and look. I'm just designing and 3D printing these as prototypes, and they're just the basic raw 3D print, if you like. And once I'm happy with the design, well, then I'll finish them up and paint them gloss black or something like that. Yeah, probably gloss black, I reckon. I think that'll be the way to go. And yeah, so today's just a test ride to see how they look out in the bike and how they perform. My main worry with the fork leg protectors is that I had enough gap between the fork leg and the top triple clamp, or the bottom triple clamp, so they don't, they're not going to crash into each other when I hit a big bump. But it looks fine. I've definitely got enough clearance there, I believe. And yeah, I think they should work really well to protect my fork legs from chips and even just bugs and things being dragged back down into the fork seals. Another thing I've been designing is a bit of a cowl for the front of the bike, just in behind the headlight there, just to have a point of difference styling wise. This is version 1. I've got version 2 ready to print, which I'll print tonight. I'm just making a few tweaks and changes. Interestingly, when I was writing here, I reckon, I don't know if it's psychological, but I reckon it felt like I had less pressure on my upper body than I normally do running this cowl. So I'm wondering if I'm getting a lot of air coming through there normally, which has sort of been directed up at me over the tank, which has now been deflected more down or up over. I don't know. It's probably, it'll hit the top part and be deflected up and over. But yeah, I'll have to do a lot more riding to do a proper test. But initially it feels like it's easier to sit at speed with that cowl on. So that's a big plus. And yeah, styling wise, I don't mind it. I think the next version's going to look even better. But yeah, it's definitely growing on me. So it's just in its raw 3D printed finish at the moment, just a prototype. But the finished part, once it's done, should look like a metal piece, a piece that is supposed to be on the bike, hopefully. So what do you think? Do you think they look all right? I just like making little, custom tweaks and changes to sort of, basically make the bike my own. I want to have a bike that nobody else has got, if you like. And if I make my own custom bits, I should have something unique by the time I'm finished. So what do you think of the way the bike looks without the sissy bar bag on it? I think it looks pretty cool. The sissy bar bag is for when I'm, taking a lot of gear or camera gear or picking up deliveries from the post office. I took it off because I had the bike serviced last week for its 16,000 kilometre service. I wasn't sure if Jeremy was going to need to take the seat off to get to the ECU for any reason. So I thought I'll take the sissy bar bag off because it's a bit fiddly to get all the straps and things off. So then if he needs to get under the seat, it's just a quick, easy job for him rather than having to faff around removing the sissy bar bag. So when I'm using the sissy bar bag, I just put all my gear into there, but I'll show you how I run just in stripped down mode, if you like, just with a smaller bag with all just essentials in it. If I've got my drink bottle and things in this bag, as you can see, what I do is I let the bag, I've got it sort of the length of the strap set up so that the bag, all the weight of the bag just rests on the pillion seat. So I barely feel I've got the bag on, which works really well. So I think I'll just run around for a while now without the sissy bar bag on until I need to use it to have more storage and just travel light. All right, I thought you might find that interesting. Just see what I've been working on and, tweaks and changes I'm making to the bike. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. And until next time, bye for now.